Started with the chapter Vulgar Fraction, exercise 9 and exercise 10 sums I have done with you, which comprises of addition, subtraction, simplifications, and in live classes we also practice those exercises. Now today we will start with exercise 11 that consists of fractional multiplication. So exercise 11 vulgar fraction, the first sum 5 by 3 into 12. This is very basic. We will do from simpler and we will move to complicated calculation sums. Now 5 by 3 is a fractional number and 12 is a whole number. Now how to make a whole number into fractional number? Whenever we write the whole number divided by 1, we are basically converting it into a fractional number, but the original number doesn't change because 3 by 1 means 3, 2 by 1 means 2. So original number was given 12. Even if I write it 12 by 1, that is equal to the number itself, that is 12. So anything divided by 1 gives you the number back, that is 12. So here we are writing by 1 in order to just write the whole number in the style of a fractional number. Now when both the fractions are written, why this is a fraction? It has a numerator and denominator. Here also a numerator and denominator is present. Now what to do? Now in case of multiplication, we can cancel the numbers. Cancelling means the numbers which can be divided with the same number, we can cancel it out. And how to cancel? What is the rule? Either you can cancel top down numbers or you can cancel crosswise, but you cannot cancel sideways. That means if two numbers are in the denominator, you cannot cancel these two. Similarly, if two numbers are in the numerator and can be cancelled, you cannot cancel this ways. So either you have to move like top down way or you have to move crossways in case of cancelling. Now here 3 and 12. Now 3 and 12, they are numbers which can be divided by the same number. For example, 3 can be divided with 3. That gives the result 1. 12 can also be divided with 3. That gives the result 4. So after cancelling, when nothing can be cancelled further, you cannot cancel anymore. What you will do? Whatever present after cancellation in the numerator, multiply. So 5 into 4 here will give you 20. Down what you have? 1 into 1 will give you 1. And any number by 1 will be the number itself, that is 20. So the answer is 20. Now suppose the second sum 7 by 8 into 64. Now again in the same way what you will do, this is a fractional number and here you have to make it as a fractional number by writing 1 in the denominator. Then it turns into a fractional number. It has a proper numerator and denominator. Why we are writing 1? Because we cannot change the number. So the given number was 64. Even if I divide it with 1 in order to make it, show it as a fraction, then also 64 by 1 gives me back 64. So the originality of the sum remains same. Now 8 and 64 can be cancelled because they both can be divided with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 8s are 64. So at the end, so we are cancelling crossways. Here also we have seen. And when no more cancellation is possible, you will just multiply. 7 8s are 56, You are multiplying these are the two fractions. Whatever is present in the numerator after cancellation, you will multiply them. Similarly, in the denominator, both the fractions are having 1. If you multiply, it gives you 1. So, 56 by 1 means the number itself. So, 56 is the answer. The next sum is sum number 5 of exercise 11. 9 by 25 into 35 by 36. So, two fractions are given. We don't have to, earlier we have seen there are sums. Whole number is given, we have to convert into fraction by dividing it with 1. Now, both fractions are given. So, what we will do? We will start cancelling it. Now 9 and 36 can be cancelled. 9 4s are 36. 25 and 35 can be cancelled. 5's table give you both 25 and 35. So both are cancelled with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. Now no longer they cannot be cancelled. So we will multiply whatever is in the numerator 1 into 7. So it will give you 7 by 5 into 4. It will give you 20. And 7 by 20 is a proper fraction because the numerator value is less than the denominator. So in case of proper fraction, we leave the answer like that. No need to. We cannot change it into mixed fraction. Now sum number 7. Now slowly we are moving to different sums. Now here what is given? A fractional number is given and it is multiplied to a mixed fraction. So here what we have to do? First step will be change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction so that we can have a proper numerator and a proper denominator. So how to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction? I have already explained. Whole number into the denominator. So 4 7s are 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3, 31 by whatever denominator is present in the mixed fraction, that will be the only denominator of the improper fraction. So why do we call it improper fraction? Because the numerator value is greater than the denominator whenever we convert the mixed into a fractional number. Now it looks simplified because this also looks like a fraction. Numerator and denominator is there. Here also the same thing. So we will now cancel. Now 7 3s are 21. Now you need to know multiplication or you have to try in rough work. How can you cancel? Now you can see 31 here and 62 here. Now 31, no other numbers can give you 31 because it is a prime number. So why not try out in the rough work 31 into 2. Now 31 into 2 whenever you will do, it will give you 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. That means 62 is present in the table of 31 because 31 2s are 62. So cancel the number with 31. 31 1s are 31. 31 2s are 62. Now what will be the result? Multiply whatever is there in the numerator. 1 into 3, 3 by, here 7 got cancelled means 1 is left. 1 into 2, 2. So we have got the answer 3 by 2. Here we got 7 by 20 and we left it because it's a proper fraction. The numerator value is lesser than the denominator. So proper fractions if we get, we write that as the answer. But in this case, when you get improper fraction as the answer, that means the numerator value is greater than the denominator, you have to change into mixed fraction. How will you change? Divide the numerator with the help of denominator. Now 2 ones are 2. This is the nearest value. Now 3 minus 2 gives you remainder 1. And how to write in the form of mixed fraction? Whatever you get in the quotient part, whatever is present in the quotient part on dividing, that is 1. 2 ones are 2 we have taken. So 1 is present in the quotient part, and that will be the whole number part of the mixed fraction, that is 1. And the remainder will be coming in the fractional part, and it will be the numerator of the fraction, by the denominator of the fraction will be the divisor. So how to write in the form of mixed fraction? Quotient will be present as the whole number part, remainder will be present as the numerator part, and the divisor will be present as the denominator part. It is like we are moving in reverse of V. When we write V, we write like this, but here we are moving in this way, opposite. So this is the way you convert into mixed fraction, and this is the answer.